We're still working with straight line graph, but this time the domain has changed. It only involves the positive values. So let's have a look at this exercise. The aim of this exercise is to show you that the domain affects the range directly. And that is true because the function y is given in terms of x. So the domain x change, therefore the range of y will change. So let's have a look at it. First, let's sketch the graph. Should be easy. I'm going to pick, as normal, the y-intercept, which is 2 here. And for the other point, I'm going to pick the x-intercept by making y equals 0. And therefore solving it for x, and that will give us 2/5, which is 0.4. We're going to mark it roughly here. Again, this is a sketch, nothing accurate. So therefore, the graph, straight line graph, will be something like this, passing through the point 0.2 and 0.40. So let's do that, which looks something like this. Now, we need to go back and examine the domain because it says that all the value of x have to be or are positive, right? So the negative part of the x-axis has to be removed, and this is that part here has to be rubbed off. So that's the graph we need to keep. Now, for the range, the highest value the y coordinates can take is the value 2. And then it goes down. If I take any value or any point from the straight line and project it onto the y-axis, it gives me a value below 2. If I go down again, project it, it will give you another value less than 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically we can say for the range, all the y coordinates are less or equal to 2. That's your range.